I hope not. Hello viewers, this is the new 2023 BMW K1600 GTL. I'm going to test ride and see how different it is from my 2013 GTL. So they got the reverse gear, they got the LCD with full navigation, and they got the keyless touch, I guess what they call. So mine is also centrally locking, but obviously the heated seats, heated grips, that's all standard. Yeah. And this is my friend Salim, my advisor, his son Asad, the young lad who's getting experience as a biker.
He rides Honda.
And let me show you exactly what they're riding. So this is Asad's. He started off with that. Not bad, but this is what my friend rides, the Monster. And this package is just unbelievable. It's a last generation Rocket 3 with 2300cc engine, but the way it's built, it's just amazing. The handlebars, everything else, just an amazing bike. This one has a 5-speed transmission versus the new one, which is 6-speed and 2500cc, the new one. This is the DCT. That's the DCT.